I've said this many times, but I'll say it again. Time flies by so quickly when you have just a moment each month that you just remember, and you remember every single month that happened. And something similar to that happens in the game of Trackmania because you have a tournament every day. But also on the first day of each month, there's a special track called Troll Cup of the Day, and this is March's Troll Cup of the Day. And on the past few months, we had pretty weird ones and pretty normal, and they're pretty similar to one another. Oh, this looks kind of weird and sketchy, but okay, is this ice? Okay, guys, this kind of looks like it's ice on the snow car, but like really weird somehow. I don't know how they will make this troll. Okay, okay, you have pretty much a lot of control. Okay, this is kind of weird. Okay, how do you slide? Oh, you can choose path. Okay, guys, let's now just beg that it's the same both ways. Oh, and like that, you just fall straight off the course. Okay, okay, how do you do that actually, guys? Okay, like this. And how to keep full speed? That's the real question. And is this ice? Do you like slide extremely much on there? And will this be actually better on controller? Now I will attempt to play from now on. Okay, let's start from the beginning, guys. Let's see. Oh, actually, key 4 suggested. Let's take him for the word. Yeah, this is actually key 4. Okay, this seems pretty easy, but this might just be okay. Now is where I failed. Nope. I just do it first try. Maybe the action key, maybe the controller. We will never know, guys. Oh, but this is cool. Honestly, I like. Okay, here. How do you not crash? And after I learn this, where will be like the difficult factor? Oh, you said so much if you missed this part. Yeah. So this is definitely difficult. Okay, go under the water. Oh, what here? Okay, this is pretty cool, not gonna lie. Oh, how are you supposed to survive there? This feels like I shouldn't be an action key for. I think I tried to do a crazy wiggle, but like I don't have enough time. Okay, okay, but this is difficult. It's like you have to go like outside just to climb around. Okay, let's go. But this is definitely a cool track, and let's get I managed to climb up. And oh, okay, now it starts to get kind of weird. We just have to do. Okay, I could climb the first one, but now I feel like I have to drive around them. I thought this was gonna be just climbing over. Okay, 112 if I didn't crash. No, this is another pretty long track. Okay, okay, so let's try this turn full steer. Now, with this is full steer. Let's see how much action key 4 changes that single turn. Yeah, it's so much faster. Okay. Oh, I wanted to go here because I didn't know which, but this time literally tells you where you're supposed to go. Okay, so I'm kind of blind. Okay, really clean. I'm absolutely mind blown. 4 seconds faster. Great. Okay. Why am I starting to get good at this now? Whoa, I got it too. Okay, it wasn't too clean, and here I will most likely crash. So that's why I break so much. And oh, actually, T4 is just so perfect. Okay, so here I have to climb over that tree, yeah. And it basically resets your speed. Okay, so I think maybe barely full speed after that. And 41-second TB. And I'm top 700 in the world with that run. And I think I had a few mistakes there. Okay, action key for not equipped was the mistake of this run. I have to remember to use it. Yeah. Like here in the start, as long as I don't make any bigger mistake, like I will basically be equal. Like look at that, 2 times less. I'm just actually, for now, just not caring at all about the line. Just don't crash and you'll be fine. That's the motto so far. Okay, come on, I might be like 2 seconds slower. It's all about consistency now. Like I can literally not improve at all and I will still be happy. It's all about consistency. And you know what? I'll finish every single run. I just will. Even though I respawn, I'll just try. I will have to train here. Now I'll just try hard this cup. Maybe I won one already, so it's definitely I unlocked that thing. I can win. Oh, and now I see every time you respawn, you don't have to re-equip that action key. Okay, here, how do you do this cleanly? Okay, do you turn off the action key? No. Like, literally, do I turn it off? No, it's not faster. And I'm crushing literally so much, yeah, so you have to climb this tree. And I think there's something done so that even though if you're slow, you will still somehow make it. Okay, so here you go like this. Nice. 136, like, but I have to get consistent silver medal. I think that would be absolutely great. Yeah, I crashed kinda bad, but I think it'll be all okay. If I think actually you're supposed to be on this path, and this slows you down. But we'll see based on the 80. Like that would make a lot more sense because then the road's not that wide. I wonder how this would be on the stadium car or the rally. Okay, so you shouldn't shortcut there, but I can definitely get this PB. Yeah, I'm faster. Yeah, I'm faster if I get this. Please. Okay, I'm basically equal. Let's go. By 1/10 of a second, I got that PB. To be honest, I don't see too many things I can do more clean. Like, I got a terrible start. Now I got a great one, but my end was really great. I still lost a lot. Like, now it might not even catch up to me, even though I literally lost all my speed. Now it probably will. Or not, yeah. I also cut, yeah, it will. But I remember I also cut this corner, yeah. So you'll see, yeah, now I have way more speed, and I'll probably be 1 second faster. Oh, 7 times. Pretty close. But a single crash just makes this no longer a PB, and now I'm trying to get the PB because my consistency is not the best, but now I'm fighting for a PB. Okay, great start. Oh, and this is just so satisfying. Like, if I get good at this is so fun. Like, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do like small inputs, but now, in the last, like, wait, did I play? No, I played on keyboard the last cup, but literally, in the last 3 days, I've played 2 cups on the controller. Okay, I think, no, I'm not sure if I'll get it, no. Like, the start, I can improve, but at the end, I can't make a single mistake, and if I will make the smallest crash, then yeah, it will basically catch up to me instantly, because now I will have like a better start. Oh, why was I slower? I'm literally normally like 1 second faster than this. Okay. Oh, I didn't equip the action key. That's why I felt so slow. Yeah, you have to remember. It's great that they wrote it because if they didn't, I would have never known. Yeah, That's the slide that got lost in like more than a second. Okay, I cut that corner. Somehow it gave me more speed. Okay, where do you start that corner? By that tree. Okay, let's now think about consistency. This I can get ultra consistent, like not ultra consistent, but pretty okay. Like there are no hidden secrets there. Here, I will always start the slide at the end of the shadow. Yeah, I think that's a great point to go for. And here, yeah, at the beginning of that zone, yeah, that's what works. I just have to like use this cues, like always remember when do you start turning. Now, yeah, this one you just have to feel out. You see everything. There is no hidden stuff, so you just have to feel it out. And now, okay, I thought I was gonna start at the start of this stone. Okay, actually, wait, like the start of this stone, and I get out a little bit earlier. Wait, should I turn this off? Okay, now I have at the beginning of the stone. Yeah, this was what happens. Like, but I just do not want to lose speed. Like, uh, okay, can I like literally do something like this? Release. Yeah, this was pretty consistent. Okay, so do like this, little release. Yeah, that's the strat that I'm gonna use. Okay, when that shadow starts. Okay, we get the drill, 3.5 minutes left. Let's shatter the PB. Yeah, that's the slide that lost me. The most amount of speed ever. Okay, so 3, great slide. Yeah, I wonder how many people else, other people use cues like this. Like they helped me a lot. Oh, this was way too early. Yeah, but I think here it's better on that corner to go a little bit later than earlier. Because if you go earlier, it's really bad. That like you lose a lot of speed, but if you go later, you might just totally like miss or then have to respawn. So yeah, it's best to just go at the right speed, honestly. Okay. Oh yeah, Grenade is probably so good at this with his steering wheel. Okay, now I lost so much speed. Okay, I might not get it, but yeah, this is so satisfying. This out of this world. And I thought, guys, honestly, I can start the video and edit it and do all this optimization YouTube stuff, but I'm not editing the video, so I'm not doing additional effort. To that, I want to portray the real story. So, starting when I want and keeping in some fails is more genuine, but I know that most of you watch just the 30 seconds, so why would I? It's kind of a waste if I have a bad first 30 seconds. So all my attention should go for the first few seconds. So I should technically edit, but like you either edit a lot or not at all, and I don't have the storage. Yeah, that's my excuse. Okay, I cut there a little bit. Oh, I wanted to scratch my nose so much. Okay, okay, okay. How do I get this correctly? So now I'll think I'll have to do a little bit sharper and cut like this. Okay, and I will not have the time for any more improvements. And you know what? I'll start charging my phone right now. 13% battery. Let's see how much it will have in a little bit of time. Let's go. Kinda late. Let's go. Oh, you slide so much there. Not, I think, watching the. Okay, where is the 80? Here it is. Okay. Okay, so 75% snow. Oh, 75% snow, 25% ice. Okay, that's a cool and interesting mix. Oh, that's hard lies. You actually crushed there. Okay, so good luck, have fun. Maybe I just win cups on controller. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, action key turned on. And imagine I get a PB right now. It would be crazy. Okay, clean. Oh, okay. Here I have to remember the release strategy. Yeah, it's consistent. Oh, nice. So that was 109, sub 106. Great. Okay, let's go. 37 is safe. Okay, please. Oh, this is bad. Bad. Okay, definitely I don't know how to play with ghosts turned on. But that was pretty clean, to be totally reasonably true. And boom. Nice. Oh, sorry. So, molololomola. Get eliminated. Try to say that 10 times fast. Bro, guys, if this is the... Okay, guys, please read chat if you want to understand the context of what I'm saying. That's just the first thing I want to say. Okay, if this guys the first track that you play on the snooker that you don't hate, A, you don't play too much of the Trackmania Cups of the day, or you should like more cups because actually they're not that picky. There weren't too many cool ones. And this kinda like if this again could this just be a normal cup of the day and I wouldn't be suspicious? Honestly, yes. I would be kind of like but like there are many others that I would be absolutely nope. This has to be a troll one. And if we talk about the last one and this, I would I would be less suspicious about this. This is more normal, but this is way more fun. This has actually so much skill. Like it's just the same Trackmania but with a cool twist. Okay, one way, just consistent sub 1 minute and 10 seconds will let me survive. And like nobody gets times under 1. No, they are really close. And I like now that like the benchmark is like perfect 1 minute. Eliminated 118. Okay, just remember that 118. That's around where you get eliminated. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, 29 is safe. Clean, like so far I'm doing not the best, I would say. Okay, yeah, and I reckon I'm in the top two-thirds. And when I say top two-thirds, I mean worst one-third. I love just doing that end slide. 107. Oh, and somebody. Okay, nice time. Just gotta type that because that's hella impressive. Oh, okay, wait, do I have... Okay, now I have the action key turned on, yeah. Okay, I didn't play with it, then I turned it on and off and on and off so many times, but 25 is safe. Please. No. Oh, now I'm kinda effed, I would say. Okay, yeah, I'm kinda done now. But I think this is recoverable. In theory, barely. Okay, just have to... Oh, that might have been, yeah, the thing that gets me eliminated. But please, please, let's go 110 again. Like, I'm always so close to it, but... Okay, yeah, now I almost got the 110 again. Like, I thought that was a hard thing. But now, as I see, it's not that difficult. Like, I got it kinda consistently so far. Okay, so now I think I have to survive like 2 more rounds and I will be happy with this. But actually, not been the better half, be survive half of the rounds, and now I've just survived 6. Cause like now I'm way below average. Like that's a way very like bad thing way to like think about the cup of the day. Because like now, for example, 4,000 players play. I'm 2,300, and I'm like, oh, I'm in the middle. One day I just get better and better and better, most likely, and then one day I'm just, I know, top 30%. Rather, you should think, okay, what was I in my division? Because then I'm playing with players equally good as me. If I'm on the best 20 very often, if my average position is pretty good, then, and I think that's a really great indicator. Like my average division was like 40, but I'm not sure what was my division is 42 now. PB, yeah, crazy. Okay, now just this round, and I'm happy with my performance. But let's go. Okay, yeah, that's a big. Yeah, I'm eliminated now. So 17 is safe. I'm probably like 21st. That's my honest guess. Yeah, yeah. 17 is safe, and now I just have to focus. Yeah, GG. Yeah, though I just have to pass 2 players. I do not think this is reasonable to believe that I'm gonna get it. Like in normal circumstances, I would believe that I could get it, but now they are extremely far away from me. Although, yeah, 90, that's not bad. In the better 20, 19, not bad, not bad. Nice time, GG, good game, and yeah, with that, I really hope guys you enjoyed the video. Top 20, not bad. Oh, it starts 1 minute before. Okay, and I just wanted to see how good was I on this track, because here 16th. Oh, and on the previous one, on the one that I won is this track, I got 12th. And yeah, I just want to play this once just to say I won on this track. I won the cup. And it would be absolutely crazy if I got a PB on this, because guys, this is the best I've ever been able to get on that track that I won. Okay. Oh, but this is just on another level of fun. This track, I just love it so much. This track is my baby. Like, only 60 players in the world won in a division. Like, obviously, when I say, oh, I'm that doesn't mean I'm top 60, because all the players in Division 1 could just purposefully be bad and be smurfs, but they play on other players on my level, so actually they always get into Division 1 and I always get into this division. So if I win here and they win there, they play with proportionately players with the same difficulty as them, so actually it should be the same amount as impressive. So I'm extremely proud of myself. Yeah. So this, although this wasn't a PB, it was a pretty fast run, clocking into a 52, and I really hope you enjoyed the video, and bye bye! Kinda speedrun it by Zeno. Okay, I did this not on purpose. Yeah, this is the track. Bye bye! Subscribe please and watch some other video. That was my call to action.